Now it's time to wind down with restorative yoga, which focuses on deep relaxation and rejuvenation. These poses will help release stress and tension, promoting a sense of calmness and peace. 1. Supported child's pose. Place a bolster or stacked pillows in front of you. Sit on your heels and extend your arms forward, resting your forehead on the bolster. Breathe deeply and stay in this pose for 3 to 5 minutes. 2. Legs up the wall. Viparita Karani. Sit sideways against a wall, then swing your legs up, lying flat on your back. Rest your arms by your sides, palms facing up. This gentle inversion helps improve circulation and relaxes your legs. Stay here for 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Reclining bound angle pose. Supta Baddha Konasana. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and bring the soles of your feet together. Allow your knees to open to the sides, and place pillows or blocks under your knees for support. Place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly, feeling the rise and fall of your breath. Stay in this pose for 5 minutes. 4. Supported bridge pose. Place a yoga block or bolster under your sacrum, lifting your hips slightly off the ground. Rest your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and relax into this gentle back bend for 3 to 5 minutes. 5. Corpse pose. Savasana. Return to Savasana, lying flat on your back. Allow your body to completely surrender to the ground, palms facing up. Stay in this final relaxation pose for at least 10 minutes, focusing on your breath and clearing your mind of any thoughts. You've completed a full yoga practice, embracing the physical, mental, and emotional benefits it offers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, incorporating yoga into your daily routine can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. Remember, yoga is not about achieving perfection in poses but rather about connecting with yourself and finding harmony within. Take these learnings with you throughout your day, and always return to your breath whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this practice, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more yoga content.